Hey guys, my name's Ivy, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Butterfly by BTS. So, the first thing you need to know is you have to make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning of G, C, E, A. There's no capo required, and only 4 chords, none of which are, well, you can play one as a bar chord or you can play as a regular chord. But I prefer to play it as a bar chord because it's just easier to switch from and all that. So, yeah. I'll also put the chords and the strumming pattern in the description so you can screenshot that and look over it whenever you want to play it. And then we'll do a play along at the end. And yeah. So the chord progression stays the same throughout the whole song. The chords you'll need are G, which is first finger on the 2nd fret of the C string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. It's a very basic chord. It's one of the 4 basic chords that you learn whenever you start playing the ukulele generally. Next one is D. First finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the C string, and 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. And the next is E minor, which is first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then third finger on the 4th fret of the C string. It's like a staircase kind of going down. And the last one you'll need to learn is C minor. So you can either bar these 3 right here, all strings except for the G string on the 3rd fret. So it's just the bottom 3 strings. Or you can do kind of like D and do it like that. It's whatever's easier. It sounds the same. So, yeah. And so to play the intro, or the first verse I just use single downstrums on once every 4 beats. So it would sound like, I'm gonna send to catch in my hat, and I'm another coat. Well, I just played the wrong thing. Well, let's try that again, guys. I'm gonna send to catch in my hat, and I'm another coat to get on my. Hey oh, opinion nigga, oh, so true. Yeah, only get you gana, 이mon 나는 어느 것 같아. Hey oh. Yeah. Well, yeah. That's how you play that part. And then it goes into a different strumming pattern on the Is It True? I just do down, tap, Is it true? Is it true? You, and I'm real too. Oh, untrue. Untrue, you. Okay, and then that's that. And then on to the chorus, I do, get your mama la chula. So down, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. And the switch. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Switch. Down, down, up, down, 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 switch. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So that's, you play it fast. So once you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. It may be hard for those of you who are more in the beginner level, but it'll come to you quickly. So, and I do play the shortened version, so I don't know how to do the raps, but generally I'll do a down strum on every beat. So there's 4, 3, 4, 1, 2. So I'll do 4 beats and then Mom's switching, doing up strum. So I'll be like, or not. I'll just usually play a faster strumming pattern on the rap parts. Anyway, I'm getting carried away, guys. So the chorus, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Get your mama la chula, 내게 어서 그쳐라. 삶을 더 바로가, 오늘 I just end it on the G chord. So now we'll play the full song together. Oh, I like hurt myself. We'll play the full song together. I have like a habit of smacking my ukulele. Do any of y'all do that? Like whenever you're explaining stuff, you just smack. That's what I do. Yeah. So start on the first one. Remember, it's just single downstrums. So I'm gonna send a kajama. The namen out of Kodokiro ma. Ayo, oh, pengen nege ho so true. Yeah. I'm gonna get you gana. If you not on a kokata. Ayo, oh, sana jina hachima. Yeah, is it true? Is it true? You, and I'm down there too. Untrue, you. Get your mama la chole, make it ask a chole. Sabe no matter what, come on, she got a chole. Essa cara de namya, such a battle guy, come on, butterfly, watch your butterfly, chum. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did learn something, subscribe to my channel. This is like my first or second tutorial I've done, but I will start uploading more with every cover that I do, and I'll also start uploading more art videos if you're a subscriber and you've been wondering where all those went, because I just haven't. I usually like use my phone for reference pictures, and I also record with my phone, so sometimes I'll get my laptop, but it's hard to do that because you can't like zoom in and zoom in and zoom in like you need to. Well, like I need to. Anyway, but yeah, I will start uploading more whenever I can. I'll just start drawing light drawings and then I'll fill them in with the video because I'm starting to get better at shading on my own. And yeah, so like I said, hope you learned something, and if you did, subscribe. And I'm repeating myself, but anyway, hope y'all have a good day, good night. Be sure to get some good sleep, stay healthy, drink water, eat well, be a good person, and make someone's day. I love you all.